At the same time, dry ice suppliers in Singapore have received a flurry of pre-orders from pharma logistics firms. Some are getting ready to churn out up to 30 tonnes more a day. CNA understands authorities are keen to ensure a steady supply. Nisha Rahim reports.
These machines make it snow almost every day. They've been hard at work turning carbon dioxide gas into a white solid called dry ice. These come in all shapes and sizes and are used to keep goods icy cold in containers during transport. Zinaco, which supplies dry ice to around 90% of pharmaceutical firms, says the pandemic hasn't put a chill on business so far.
The increase will be about, up to date, is about 20%. And basically it's on local transport or export out for the COVID-19 testing kits from Singapore. So we support all this, and in the next, when the vaccine comes, we can foresee it's because Singapore is not the manufacturer of vaccine, it's just transport, logistic. We can see that maybe another 20 to 30% increment.
How much dry ice is needed to keep vaccines frosty depends on the size of the shipment container. Mr. Tan estimates around 80 kg will be needed, and it can last up to 10 days. Dry ice becomes a gas again at temperatures warmer than negative 78 degrees Celsius, and that means smaller volumes will have to be replaced more frequently. So far, Mr. Tan says he's gotten huge orders from logistics companies that are shipping and storing vaccines. The firm is ready to meet demand with an extra 30 tons of dry ice, or the weight of 5 elephants per day. He also reveals that carbon dioxide supplies won't run out because the country produces them locally. Meanwhile, another supplier in the business for 5 years says it's ready to dial up the notch to make 3 times more than usual of about 7 tons daily. The company expects about 80% more demand when the vaccines arrive.
We already got a new machine and everything. Now we're currently running about 50% of capacity only, so we can ramp up to another 50%. So we actually imported a lot of new boxes and all these things to cold chain logistic demand, and we anticipated for this vaccine transportation.
Both suppliers say they are also prepared to increase manpower by about 10% to keep the machines humming.